In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to create districts by using the Touch Align tool in the District Map view. And now you should already be familiar with the Touch Align tool at the territory level. You simply click on a territory to select it. Holding down the left button on that territory, you can move it and capture zip codes or accounts or any geography that you have set as your base level settings. So when I let go, that territory has been expanded. Now you can use the same process at the district level to create districts. So let's go ahead and open up a district map, and you do that by clicking here on the plus button, select districts, and now you see everything is gray. And that's because we haven't created districts yet. And we can go ahead and use the Touch Align tool while in this map view to create districts. And you would do that by clicking and holding with the Touch Align tool, and you can see a number appears in the center of that district. And that right now is showing you the span of control. And the span of control means that's the total number of territories that are assigned to each district. So right there, I've created a district with 13 territories assigned to it. So let's try that again. I'm going to click and hold with the Touch Align tool, and you can see I am capturing territories as I move the cursor around. Now it's a bit hard to see those territories in this view. So let's go to Configure Layers, and we're going to turn on Territory Boundaries. So we select Territories, click on this button here, make Territory Boundaries visible, and we will make it a pink color and click OK. So now you can see where all your territory boundaries are. And instead of seeing the span of control, I will change that label for the districts to show the district name. So let's go back to Configure Layers, select Districts, Labels, and now instead of number of territories, we're going to select district name and click on OK. So now you can see we've got District 1 and District 2, and let me use District 2 to bring that part of New Jersey over. So let's go back down here to Florida and create another district. So again, you click, and while holding down the left button on your mouse, we've still enabled the Touch Align tool. So I'm going to move it down here and capture all of these Florida territories, and even bring it up a little bit more to capture the southeast. And just like that, we've created District 3. To rename a district, you simply right-click on that district to pull up the radial tool, and then you select the district properties. And here you can change the ID and the name. So if we wanted to rename this Southeast, like this, you'll see right away that it changes on the screen, and click on OK. So let's move it around here again. And let's do this one final time. We'll do it for Texas. So I'm going to use the Touch Align tool, click here in Texas, and we're creating District 3. And we've selected this whole area here, including the surrounding states, and we've created District 3. Another way to view your created districts is from a district table view. And to view that table, there's two ways. You can open up a new tab by clicking on this plus button and click on Tables and then District Table, and you'll see all of your districts right here. Or from the Home menu, you click on Add View, Tables, and then District Table. Both of those methods will bring you to the exact same table view. And you can see right away that you have the Southeast district here, and it'll show you the span of control, and any other data sets that have been imported will be summed up here to the district level. And there you go. You just learned how to use the Touch Align tool to create districts.